To view and download data from a water level sensor, go to www.sensstream.org. You can type in the name of the station that you would like to view in the white filter box on the left-hand side of the screen, or you can scroll through the names below the filter box. You can also use your mouse to zoom into various areas of the map to select a station. For this example, I will be viewing Marlborough County Station, and I will type that in the white filter box. Once the station name that you are looking for shows up, click on that name, or you can click on the red points directly from the map. To view the water level sensor data under the location name, you should see a label that says Max Butix HRXL Max Sonar WRLS, and underneath that, the first bullet should display distance. To the right of distance should be the word plot. If there are multiple forms of instrumentation, which can include weather, water quality, and water level at the location, you will first need to select the Max Butix HRXL Max Sonar WRLS option. Click on Plot to view the graph. You can make the graph full screen by clicking on the two arrows facing different directions in the right-hand corner. If you click those arrows a second time, the graph will go back to the smaller size. You can also zoom in by clicking and dragging over the area that you would like to look at closer. To zoom back out and see the entire graph, you can double-click anywhere on the graph. The vertical y-axis of the graph will give you the elevation in meters of the water level in the datum NAVD 88. The horizontal x-axis of the graph will give you the date and time. Click Close on the bottom right to exit the graph. On the top left of the screen, click on the third option, which should be an icon that reads Export. The top of that menu should have an icon with a calendar that reads Pick Dates. You can select the date range that you would like to download by clicking the calendar icon and selecting the date range from the drop-down menu. Options include today, yesterday, last 7 days, and so on. The default will be today. Once you select the date range, you should see it displayed underneath the calendar that says Pick Dates. Then scroll through the list to select the station that you would like to download data from. You can select stations by pressing the small box to the left of the name of the station, and a blue check mark will appear to indicate you have selected it. At the top of that list, there is also an option to select all. If you click a box by mistake, you can click it again to unselect it. Then click the blue button on the bottom right-hand corner that reads Export. The data will download as a zip folder, and the zip folder can be opened by simply clicking on it. In the zip folder, there will be an Excel sheet that contains data in units seconds and elevation in meters.